good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I was in the car playing with Tyler. Now I don't have any voice. How are you guys doing? It's bright and early. Well,
it's after 10.
After 10, so it's not really bright and early, is it? It's after 10, and I just got back from another one coming up. Yeah, we're counting bridges from doing some blood work. I had some blood work to do for my doctor. Another bridge? Yeah. Yeah, so I had to get my blood drawn, and I hate getting my blood drawn. I can never look at the needle. I can never look what they're doing. And when I see the amount of blood that they draw from me in such short time, I'm like, jeez, it's so red, and oh, I just can't. I can't look at it. Another bridge! Can you say hi, Fibs? Good morning. Where are we going? A bridge! Wow! Where are we going, Tyler? Where are we going?
Shopping for Tyler.
Oh! Got that right. We're going shopping for Tyler. Another bridge. You guys, we are going to do a huge shopping today for Tyler. Yeah, another one, because the sale in France started last Wednesday, and today, this weekend is the first weekend for the sale, so we're going to catch it and buy almost all of Tyler's school things. Which of the car do you want, honey? We're going to buy as much of Tyler's school things as we can possibly get today. So that's the mission for today. Shopping. Shopping, shopping, shopping. So we're heading to the big mall where Primark is, because we love shopping at Primark, and Primark always have good deals on especially kids stuff. So we're going to go there, and yeah, the shopping for school has begun, because I can't believe that Tyler is starting school in September. Are you excited? Are you excited? No. He has zero emotions. Jeez. He's as dead as it comes. My husband rarely show emotions. I tell him that I was sad that he didn't cry at our wedding. My husband couldn't even look at me at our wedding because he says that he insists on not looking at me because he decided that he wasn't gonna cry, and I was so sad that he didn't cry at our wedding. I was the one bawling down the place like a cow. He has zero emotions, man. Zero. You rarely see him cry. He must hurt really, really deep to have him cry. But my husband, zero emotions. When he's excited, you don't even know it. You really don't know when he's excited. Even when you catch him off guard and surprise him, he's excited inside, but on the outside it shows nothing. Anyway, you guys, we are about to pull up to the mall right now, and I know that the mall is going to full. Normally when we're going to this mall during sale period, we would reach extra early and try to find parking. I think we're kind of still early because it just opened at 10, so I know a lot of people already is in, but normally we would reach and wait and everything, but that's okay. We are here, and we're gonna go and get the shopping done and knock it out of the park. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and whatever it is that you guys are doing this weekend or this week, have fun doing it. Have fun doing it. Stay loved, stay blessed. We love you guys, and let's go shopping. Tyler, say shopping. 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 You're not saying shopping?
Me, no.
Yeah. Shopping. Well, the hardest part of shopping is finished. It is for Tyler. I couldn't even film while we were doing it because It's more hectic this time because I had to make sure that everything fits, pants fit, shoes fit, shorts fit, shirts fit. I can't, don't do that. There's a big one. Big one. Let me take it out. I couldn't just buy things blindly this time, and then when I reach home I would say, oh, but this don't fit and this didn't fit. So I had to, because it's for school, I had to make sure that I tried on everything and he's comfortable in all his shoes and stuff like that. But I'll give you guys a haul at some point during the vlog, so if you guys want to see all the things that we bought Tyler, then stay tuned. However, right now we are at McDonald's. As you guys can see, we're at McDonald's going to have some lunch. Tyler is there chilling, baby's there chilling. Hey. So we're gonna grub right now. Tyler, where are we? His favorite place, McDonald's. He's been asking for KFC since yesterday, but there's no KFC in the area, so he have to set up for his next favorite. I saw a fountain, I don't want him to go in, so he's over there. You guys, we're gonna show you all the things that we bought for Tyler. You ready?
Yeah.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Tell Faves, look! Yeah. Say, all mine!
I'm thinking of this.
You're gonna take off. He's already taking off his old socks to put on the new one.
Mama,
Yes?
put on the big one.
Okay, you guys, so we're just gonna show you real quick some of the things that we got. Well, all of the things that we got, and bear in mind.
This one.
Okay, you put it on. These things are just for Tyler's school because you guys may or may not know that Tyler will be heading to school September. You going to school September?
Yeah.
You excited?
Look. This
Yeah, the socks. Put it on.
Mama.
Yes.
Because I can't put it on.
You can't put it on.
No.
He said because I can't put it on. As you guys can see, he's pretty excited about going to school. Right. Yeah, do that. Do it like this.
Tout seul.
Yeah, like this. Open.
Regarde maman, elle fait, voilà.
Now put your foot in it.
Allez, on essaie.
Good job, and then pull it up. Yeah!
You see?
Good job! Now put on the other one.
High five,
High five, Papa. High five, Papa.
Good
Put on
job.
the other one. Do the same. Pull it apart and put your foot in it and pull it up. Foot in. Patience. No, patience. Pull it apart. Foot in.
Good job.
Yeah. So you guys, first first let us show you the shoes, all the shoes that we bought for Taiwan. If I know it light up, of course I know it light up. You don't know that.
I love this shoes.
You love these shoes? Yeah. Have you light it? Hit the button.
Because I'm still getting this because I'm a sheet of
Hello?
my
Regarde,
Dis non.
c'est les chaussures à Taya.
Yeah, she stepped on your fingers, but she said sorry. So we bought Tyler 4 pairs of shoes, and yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Show Faith your shoes. The aim of his shoes is to get them with the tape on it. That way he'll be able to put them on easily. Though it have the style of the lace, these lace can't move. They're stretchable, they're elastic. So we got him comfortable sneakers type ones that he can run in, and they're light. So we got him, I think 3 of them of the same style because we really like them. So we got the black, the gray,
And the orange.
the army green. No, we got army green, the gray, the black and orange. And I super love this one that lights up. When you hit it, it lights up.
What's your shirt?
It lights up like that, and I think it's cute. I think every kid should own one of these light up shoes. So we got him 4 pair of shoes for school, and we got him new underwear. Fun fact about Tyler, he's not a big fan of brief. He rather underpants, so we got him only underpants this time around. You like these? And we got him new socks because all his socks that he had were small socks that he's growing out. So we got him new socks.
I can see the butter.
Yeah. Show the waves. And we got him a bunch of pants. Let me just show you guys some of the pants that we got. We got him this one.
Oh, my cotton.
And this one.
My cotton.
This one. And most of these pants are under 10 euros. They're like 8 something, 9 something.
3.
Let Papa put it on for you. Or 3. I think this one that he's putting on is 3. Babe, help him now. And this one. And this one. And then we got him some comfy joggers. And we also got him some shorts because when he starts school, will still be summer. So we got him some shorts so he can wear until winter time. So we got him this cute one right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pants. And we got him this cute shorts too. Most of them already have the thing on it.
Attends,
I can see the shot.
Oui, c'est le short pour qui?
Yes.
Pour papa?
No, c'est pour moi, papa.
And we got him this one. So cute. Look at him. Look at him. So cute. He's so excited. Oh, there's more pants.
Mama,
Yeah.
I have my shoes.
You want your shoes? Which one of the shoes you want to put on?
I
Hold
want.
on. Oh, it's only 3 shorts we got.
And
3
this
shorts.
one.
And we got this little sweater which I love with all the smiley face. Since he smiles so much, I think it's only right to get him a smiley face. So we got this one. Yeah. Papa going to get the shoes for you, okay? We also got him some long sleeve shirt for winter and spring for school because since it's sale and these shirts are going for 2 euro, so we got him a bunch of these. So we got him that one. And this one says never look back. And we also pay attention to the writing on the shirts to make sure that these writing, because some of these writing on these shirts are kind of cray-cray, so we make sure that we chose the ones with proper writing on it. And this one says make some noise, another long sleeve. And this one which just says 1994 on it, which is cute. Papa come in with the shoes. And these are some short sleeves that we got because he's gonna need this a lot. And all these shirts we buy them in 3 to 4 years because he's just growing so much and getting so big. And all of these shirts are like €2. So we got him a good amount of shirts. And this one, which is the dinosaur, I think, yeah, which is cute. So that one. And this one, short sleeve. That's another short sleeve. That's another short sleeve. This one. And this one. And then we got him some more socks. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 short sleeve and 1, 2, 3, 4 long sleeve. So yeah, our boy is getting big and he's starting school. So I think he's ready for September right now. With all these things are good starters. Okay, you guys. Babe and I was having a discussion earlier that it's my first experience of being around someone that don't wear uniform go to school, because in Jamaica we wear uniform, so we don't worry about our outing clothes and our uniform. So I was saying to Babe that I have to buy 2 sets of clothes for Tyler. I have to buy clothes that he wears goes to school, and then I have to buy clothes that he wears goes out on an outing, like with us, with family and friends. Wow, good job. So you guys, tell me if I'm wrong or how you guys do it, because I know a lot of places don't do uniform like the Caribbean. So all my US and my Canadian people, tell me how you guys do it in your country. Does your kids wear the same clothes to school and to go out, or you have 2 different sets of clothes? Babe said when he was growing up, the same clothes he wears to school is the same clothes they wear to go out. But I'm not gonna let Tyler do that. So comment down below and let me know, since it's my first experience, let me know how you guys do it. Let me see the other foot. Hit the other foot. Wow! Wow! Alright, you guys, so there you guys have Tyler school clothing haul, and those are all the things. You like your outfits and your shoes?
That would be everything until winter came.
Yeah, until winter. Tyler, you like all your things? Yeah. You like them? Yeah. Okay. He's in one of his shoes and his pants.
Okay, I don't know if they should see my
Alright, you guys, that's where we're actually going to end today's vlog. We got home and we napped and we cooked and we just chill basically with the family, and we're just going to rest up for tomorrow because tomorrow is going to be another long day for us. Tyler. You know when we're going back to school in Jamaica, what we say? Say free paper bun. So your free paper go bun September. Say free paper bun.
Boom.
Yes. So that's what you guys gonna have the Jamaican expression for today, even though it's not yet September, but free paper bun. Say it, Dave.
Tyler,
come here.
so the French word.
Say it. Free paper bun.
Free pepper bun.
Yes.
Free pepper bun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Say your expression.
So the French expression gonna be a word. It's not like the translation of it, but after the long break, after summer break in September, when kids go back to school, we say c'est la rentrée.
Oh.
La rentrée is like the comeback, but we don't say the comeback of what we know. La rentrée, what it means is like when the kids come back after summer break.
Okay.
First day called la rentrée.
Okay. La rentrée.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys.
Tyler trying to put on.
Tyler putting on his socks and big food. So there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today, and we're just gonna go ahead and tell you guys we love you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy today's little vlog and Tyler haul. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new and turn on your notification bell because tomorrow will be yet another busy day for us. And of course, we're taking you guys along with us. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tyler said tomorrow, Feb.
Tomorrow, please.
He's focused trying to put on the socks.
Exactly.